Good morning, friends. Today today is the last part of this topic of freedom, and at the end, I'm giving you HOTS question. HOTS question means which are very important and relating to the final examination. So, take care and write down these questions. Learn it thoroughly. Right. So the first question is, what do you mean by moral liberty? What do you mean by moral liberty? Moral liberty is of great importance in the life of an individual. Moral means freedom to do things according to the dictates of one's consciousness. Moral work means whatever you are doing, you know what you are doing, because you want to do that work. Nobody is stopping you, nobody creating any threshold for you to do the things according to the dictates of one's consciousness. The idea of Green, Kant and other people have supported the idea of moral liberty. Moral liberty is not at all concerned with the state. It is concerned with the individual own self. I told you, you are belonging to your own. That is moral liberty. Question number 2. Another word of moral liberty, you can say Swayam ki azadi. Okay. Now question number 2. Write a short note on political liberty. And earlier I gave you moral liberty. Now political liberty. Kisme azadi? Rajnaitik azadi. Political liberty is considered synonymous with democracy. By political liberty, it is meant that the right of the people to share in the administration of the state. It consists of A. The right to vote. Political liberty, very important right to adult people, universal adult franchise, that is right to vote. B. Right to be elected to various legislative bodies in the state. It's your right. You can fight the election also. C. The right to hold political office. And D. The right to make constructive criticism of the government. You can criticize the government also. That should be a constructive one. And its policy. Political liberty thus can exist in democracies only. Political liberty is only liberty which exists in the democratic system of the government. Third question. What do you mean by economic liberty? Revision is going on. Mind it. Economic liberty. I told you earlier also, economic liberty means security of one's daily bread and reasonable opportunities for sharing it. Right? Economic liberty consists in the individual's right to work and to minimum wages, the right to leisure by the regulation of hours of work in the fields, factories and mines, the right to form unions, very important, right to form unions, sangathan, and the right to provision against old age, sickness, unemployment, accidents, and also maternity leaves. Or maternity benefits. So these are the organized organization which gives you these types of liberty. Now, what next is, what do you understand by liberalism? Liberalism emphasis on freedom of an individual. Liberalism emphasis on the freedom of an individual and development of the individual personality. आप अपनी personality को किसी हद तक लेके जा सकते हैं. Right? So you are free to develop your personality. Liberalism believes in the warmth of individual, and society upholds freedom of association, toleration, separatism of religion, politics, and secular attitude. Besides, it affirms its faith. It means ability to progress. Liberalism means they believe that you have got the ability to progress. So you do your job so that do your job your best so that you can progress. Government gives you every type of liberty. You can choose any type of profession. You can rise any height. So that is liberty. Basically, it is again in the democratic setup of the government. Next, fifth question. Mention in it two preconditions which are essential for individual's freedom. Two conditions क्या है? Preconditions क्या है? Individual freedoms के. Number one, independence of judiciary. I told you it is very important. Independence of judiciary. There should be an independence and impartial and honest judiciary to safeguard individual freedom. Your judiciary should be absolutely independent to safeguard your freedom. And second one is rule of law. I told you earlier also, rule of law is very essential for the individual's freedom. Rule of law protects individual's freedom. From the law, by the law, you are being protected. Next, in the next video, till then, take care and good day.